a southbound mixed freight train with the Monongahela Heritage Unit leading, and it also had a Union Pacific caboose in the middle. After a few hours, we catch another southbound mixed freight with NS 9540 leading. Hey guys, before this video ends, I was just gonna say, sorry that this video isn't as long as usually my other videos. I was gonna do a short local in the Railfanning model trains, but I sadly couldn't do it. I was gonna use this engine for the local, but this engine has a weird sound, so I hope to get it fixed soon, and then I'll do a local for you guys. So I'll see you in the next awesome train adventure. Bye for now.